Welcome back to No Man's Land. I think this is episode 7, if I'm not mistaken. And I think we're finally going to get our chickens. We have 46,000 in the bank. And I think the place to put them would be right here. I hadn't thought about putting them there before, but I think that's what we're going to do. So without further ado, let's get them in. Animals, chickens, and it's this one here. So all the triggers are over there. Look at that. Oh, I didn't exactly mean to put it there. I hit the button by mistake, but that's all right. I think that is a pretty good location. Yep, look at that. Perfect. We've still got some money left, so we can afford to buy some, hopefully. We'll just get get some cheap ones. How many can we fit on? Oh, 500, a lot. So, we'll get 60 of those. And we'll get 60 of those. Okay, so we've got 120 out of 500. We'll get some more. We'll get, we want eggs straight away, so we'll get more of those. $180. That'll do to start with. Hello, chookies. Black ones, white ones, red ones. I think we should get a rooster too. Wouldn't be a chook pen without a rooster. Yeah, there we go. Won't be getting 60 of them. Can I get back to one? There we go. We'll get one. No, we'll get two. Fantastic. There we are. Oh, can't get over that. Now I can. There we go. Look at that beautiful rooster. Not sure where the second one is. Hiding back here somewhere. We've got these nice little roosting buildings where they can lay all their eggs. Fantastic. They're not going to lay any until we give them some water and some something to eat, which we have. So first up, let's get the water organised. Okay, these be filled up. Got to get a crop in there as well, in that field. Have I got one in? No, I've got one in, haven't I? Wait, what am I thinking? Getting ahead of myself. Okay. Yes, so we've got a wheat crop there, it's all ready to go. First stage of growth, all fully fertilised, beautiful. Just check on the sheep. Yep, sheep are going really well. They should start reproducing before too long and maybe producing wool before too long, which would be very nice. Got our old farmhouse over there, surrounded by some lovely trees. Right, let's get these chickens organised. Yes, that's the perfect place for a trick pen there. Oh, maybe they don't need water. That's an interesting point. No, they must have their water plumbed in. It's just food they require. Okay. Too easy, I should have noticed that. So while we've got a full tanker, we might as well top up these greenhouses. They always need water. Okay, excellent. Disconnect that and get our trailer. And we've got some lovely sorghum to feed the chickens. Where's the trigger? I think it would be under there. Maybe I could come in at a better angle. Up here. Yes. Not quite that angle, but yeah, you get the idea. There we go. Sorghum. Fill it up. I'm not sure how much they'll take. They won't take a whole truckload, I'm quite sure. But we haven't got a whole truckload, 30%. Here we go, come and get it. Feed time. Oh, they took it all. Okay. Oh, and they need even more. Well, hopefully that'll keep them going long enough until we get our wheat crop in. So just as well I went for wheat in the end by mistake, because we will need that for feed. Most definitely. Okay, we'll pop that back there. Should have put it in the shed, I guess, but never mind, we'll get there. Okay, so the greenhouses are done. The planting is done. The next job is to plough this field over here. I was going to connect it to this one, but I think I'll leave them as two separate fields, but I can still put in a crop in both and treat them as one field just with a track in between. So I think that's the next job to do. Let's just check. Yep, everything looks alright there. We'll get our plough. I think it goes this way. Indeed it does. And I won't record all of this. You've all seen ploughing before. Now, where am I going to start from? Obviously from, now I can go a little bit more down this way, can't I? Right down to about here. Yeah, that would be good. And I want to leave a path in between the two, a road, track. So if we start off about there. Okay. No, I want the other way. I had it right the first time. and just make sure create fields is on, which is Y. Start here, I can always do another row that's the gap's too wide. Yeah, that looks like it might be about right. Yeah, that would be alright. Best to have a bit of room, there's no shortage of room on this map. And I need to get up to a line up roughly with that fence over there. Okay, getting close. About there. Seems pretty good. A little gap between the sheep pen. Yep, that looks pretty good. Excellent. Probably not going quite straight along. And get in line with this fence. Yep, out there. Just leave myself enough room. Just. Good. And I just want to go parallel with this boundary as best I can. Could go further over to the left there, so I'll probably come back and do that. Can't really see the other end. So I'll just go back to where I went on this side. I can see it now. I couldn't see it from back over there. Ah, yes, now I can see where I am. And we want to go about there. Okay, just finishing off the last little bit. This ended up being a lot bigger, a bigger field than I thought it was going to be. So it's quite a decent size, which is good. So we can get a crop into this right away. In the last field I was going to do soybeans, forgetting one of my rules for this playthrough is that can't do crops that we don't grow in my area, and we don't grow soybeans around here. So we will do some other kind of cereal crop probably. I'll have a look in a bit. proved to be quite a substantial field, which is good. Let's get this last little bit, and then we are done. Have to go and release the seeder. And we'll see what crop is due roughly around the same time as the wheat field. We could do wheat in this one as well, I suppose, but a lot of that wheat will probably be going into storage for the chickens. Some of it anyway. Okay, well done. Let's just get the plough back over here and put it in the shed this time. Let's pop that in there. No, let me do it. Got to unfold it first. There we go. So get on over to the store and we'll pick up our drill. We've probably got enough seed and fertiliser there, hopefully. Those happy chickens in the background. We finally got them. Took a while. But it's all looking pretty good. We'll probably just get the same one, which was the Pottinger. Yep. Got a good working width. We'll lease that. Now that the field's been ploughed, I can use a worker, which will make it a lot easier. It took quite a while to do that field, I can tell you. Probably not quite an hour, but getting up towards an hour in real time. And that's one reason why I don't time lapse those sorts of jobs, because it would be a very long time lapse. Get this filled up. Oh, there's bumps there. Some sort of bumps there. Okay, plenty of fertiliser. And now we get some seeds in. These aren't in the best position, these ones. Not much in there. 1% in fact. I hope we have enough seed. Maybe not. It's a bigger field, isn't it? Oh, that must be lime. I'm wondering why I couldn't pick that up. Is it going to be enough seed? I'll tell you what, we'll get going. Now, got to decide what crop to put in. We'll just look. So we've got wheat in at the moment, and that will be ready. Let's see what month we'll be in. January. Yeah, that won't be ready for a while. Put barley in. We could put oats. We could put canola. I think we'll put canola in. Yeah, that'll do. There we go. A bit close to the fence here. I don't have to put the cropping right up to the fence. Left a bit more of a gap. I'm sure it'll be alright. Switch where we go. Time lapse a little bit of this, and we'll cut to when we're close to the end. Okay, here we are, just finishing off the last bit of the canola. Getting those seeds in the ground, nice big neat field, very nice to see. Let's finish off this little bit. Getting close to the end of this episode. I do need to go and do some maintenance on the tractor though, and fuel up as well, so we'll do that. And we just had enough seed, 4% left, so did that very well, and didn't use too much fertiliser. Now this field is fully fertilised. However, next episode we will need to put some lime on there. Okay, so that's that all done. I think we'll just drop off. Yeah, we'll drop off the leftover seeds and fertiliser right there. Not going to be causing any issues, and we can get the seeder returned. And go and sort out this tractor. Trouble when you do buy second-hand equipment, you do have to do more maintenance, but hopefully it doesn't cost too much. We've got a fairly healthy bank account, and nearly at the end of another day. Okay, repair. $3. Oh, I was going to say $3. Yes, we want the Massey Ferguson. Yes, 7,000. That's more like it. Yeah, it still didn't bring it right up to new again. I suppose it wouldn't if it's an older vehicle, but we'll top up with some diesel while we're here. Don't want to run out. This probably won't be cheap either. $4.50, not too bad. I don't know why my indicator is flashing. I don't even know what the toggle is for that. I shall have to look it up. I must have put it on accidentally. So that probably means we'll have to drive around in circles now. Okay, we'll get this tractor over to the farm, and then we will rest for another day. As I said, do the lime on the canola field. I'll just pipe this up here. And we have our first eggs. Look at that. Wonderful. Can I pick them up? Yes, I can pick them up. Very good. Well, thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And we'll see you in episode number 8. Thank you. Bye.